If you are in need of boundary pickup surveyors in Mullor, Bangalore, look no further than SCON Design. Our team of experienced surveyors specializes in accurately determining property boundaries to ensure that you have a clear understanding of your land. We understand the importance of precise measurements when it comes to property boundaries, as any errors can lead to legal disputes and conflicts with neighbors. That is why we utilize state-of-the-art equipment and advanced surveying techniques to provide you with the most accurate results possible. Our boundary pickup surveyors have extensive knowledge and expertise in their field, allowing them to efficiently and effectively complete the surveying process. Whether you are a homeowner, developer, or real estate professional, you can trust SCON Design to deliver reliable boundary pickup surveying services in Mullor, Bangalore. With our commitment to excellence and attention to detail, we aim to exceed your expectations and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions regarding your property. Contact us today to schedule a consultation with our boundary pickup surveyors and take the first step towards understanding your land boundaries with confidence.